So NotebookLM just got 2 new features update. As you can see, now you can create stunning presenter slides. As you can see, this is a presentation slide style created by NotebookLM. And also right now you can create this type of awesome infographics images with NotebookLM. So as you can see, these are the presenter slides that are created by NotebookLM, and here's another one, that infographic that I created with NotebookLM. So let me show you how you can do this, and this is also for free. You can try this for free. So if you go to NotebookLM, if you don't have an account, I'll give the link in the description box. You just need to go to the NotebookLM and try NotebookLM with your Gmail account, and after that just create a new notebook with your research paper or PDF or any other link that you have. So I just created a NotebookLM with a blog link, which is just the blog of Nano Banana Pro. So I just provided this link, and NotebookLM just created a new notebook. And after that, you can see there are new two options, which is infographic and slide deck. So first I'm going to show you how you can create an infographic. If you just click on it, it will just start to create an infographic on this blog link or any other source that you provide here, just like you add source from here. And if you click on this pen option, you can customize it. Now if you want a landscape style infographic, you can do that. Also you can choose portrait or you can select square. But for this, I'm just going to choose portrait option, and you can also select language, like what kind of language that you want to be translated in the infographic. You can choose that, and level of detail, concise, standard or detailed. So I'll just, for example, choose the detailed, and here you can also select some describe your infographic option, like guide the style, color or focus. Like there's an example of use a blue color theme and highlight the 3 key states. So you can do that if you want to, like if you want some color like orange color theme or any other color theme, and also the key stuff or the case test then to show an infographic, you can describe it. But for the example, I'm just going to click generate here, and it will start to create an infographic based on your source. So it will take some time. So meanwhile, we'll show you how to create this type of presenter slide deck. As you can see, this is created by NotebookLM. So to create this type of slide deck, you can see there's an option of slide deck. You can choose it, but I'm going to show you also the customization option. Click on the pane, and you can see there's a detail deck option and there's a presenter slides. So let me show you the both example of this. So this one is the history of computing, which is just a presenter slide. As you can see, minimal text is not that very much in this slide, as you can see. And this slide deck is the presentation style, like these have more text. This is the option of the detailed version. As you can see, there are more text and more details. So if you want to create this, you can choose detailed text or presenter slides. But I'm just going to choose the presenter slides for this, and you can also click on length short, default or long. I'll choose default, and here's the example. Also, you can describe like what kind of slider deck you want to create, add a high level outline or guide the audience style and focus. There's an example. Create a deck for beginners using a bold and playful style with a focus on step-by-step instruction. You can describe whatever you want, but for example, again, I'm just going to click generate, and it will start to generate the slide deck or the presentation slide deck for us. And while we're creating this, Nano Banana just create us the infographic. Let's see the infographic here, which I created in portrait version. And now as you can see, we can zoom in and see the infographic that we created using the Nano Banana blog. And as you can see, all the text here are pretty good, and this is just pointing what can Nano Banana Pro now do in just one simple infographic. You can also download this. Click on this download, and it will be downloaded on your PC. As you can see, this is pretty much high resolution, which is 5.7 MB. You can see the image here is pretty much high resolution if I download it also. So this is the one feature updated in NotebookLM. You can now create high resolution infographic. So as you can see, our NotebookLM slide deck has been created. So if you just click it, this will show you all the slide. And if you want to expand the view, just click here, and now you can see it's just created a beautiful slide with only the Google Nano Banana Pro blog that I shared here, showing that how Nano Banana Pro can create more accurate images. As you can see, it's showing me all the things that I learned from the blog here. And if you want to download this, you can also see there's a download option. It will download a PDF version of the slide, and you can also play this and you can control with your keyboard here. So that's it, guys. This is the new feature update that I want to share with you in NotebookLM, which is pretty cool. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.